If the person holding the toy backs farther away from the mirror in a line perpendicular to the mirror surface, how far back from their current position can they walk before the toy is no longer visible to the cat? Assume the cat remains stationary and the toy mouse stays the same height above the cat's eyes as it was in the previous problem. The person is backing away from the mirror and keeping the mouse perpendicular to the mirror surface. As the mouse moves back, d gets smaller, and at a certain distance, d will equal 0, and the reflection isn't visible to the cat. To find this distance, we'll call this distance d prime. You subtract h from y. The next step is to find the angle formed by d prime and x. We do this by taking the arctangent of d prime divided by x, and we find theta equals 11.31 degrees. We know that this is the same angle as this one, and that one. Because we know the angle and the opposite length of the triangle formed by the mouse and interior, we can solve for x prime. This length is m minus d prime. We know tangent of 11.31 equals m minus d prime divided by x prime. So now we can solve for x prime by plugging in the values that we know and solving the equation. The question asks for how far from their previous position the person would have to move, so we can subtract x prime minus x to find the answer, which is 100 centimeters.